Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video you'll be cooking with me oha soup in the village with firewood. Let's just go ahead and get cooking. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not already. Please help my channel grow. Okay, so here is my oha leaves. Okay, yeah, this is so fresh. Yeah, this is uzuza. Yeah, this is said that you make cheddar kita. So we'll start cooking the soup. Okay, so we'll start off by making the fire. Okay, with firewood. I have layered this ground with ichelako, that is the back of the palm kernel. Okay, and then followed by the firewoods, and then this is avuvu, that is chaff from palm nuts. Okay, after extraction of oil. Okay, we use this to make fire. Yeah, and it burns like anything. So I'll just be putting it under the firewood, and then I'll be lighting it up. Yeah, and the fire will catch. It will transfer, it will burn and then transfer to the firewoods. Yeah, so after that I'll be putting on the ede. Okay, I've washed it already, so I'll be adding it, and then I'll be adding some water to it, and then I'll start cooking this ede till it comes soft. Meanwhile, here is my goat meat. I already parboiled it previous night with some salt, seasoning cube and pepper. Okay, as I came back with it last night. So I'm boiling some water here. Don't mind the back of the pot. I just rub some oil and the omo at the back, not to transfer the coal. Okay, so here is my stock fish and dried fish. Okay, I got this from my last market vlog. Okay, so I'll be adding some hot water to wash the fish. Okay, yeah, just to wash it properly. So after I wash it, I'll just transfer the stock fish, and then I'll just be adding a seasoning cube because this stock fish has some salt as well. So the ede is cooked, so I'm just going to remove the skin, and then I'll be pounding it the village way. Okay, with mortar and pestle. Okay, I'll just pound it till all the lumps it becomes smooth. Okay, yeah, just like so, pound it. So as you're pounding it, at some point I'll just be adding some palm oil to this. Honestly, I don't know why we add palm oil, but my mom said it's just for you to see the bigger lumps of the egg that you have not pounded. Anyways, we have just been adding oil, and sometimes I don't add though, but I just choose to add this today. Okay, so I'm just pounding it, and then it is ready, as you can see. So moving on to the pepper. This is my pepper I'm going to be using, and this is ngu. Ngu is stone grinder. Yeah, this is local method of grinding your pepper. This is what I'll be using to grind the pepper. You guys, if you know this, just leave me a comment section. If you have used this, leave me a comment, okay, in the comment section. So I'm just going to grind the pepper in this stone grinder like so. This thing is not fun. Oh, you guys, it's not fun. Forget it, forget it. Okay, I'm just grinding it, as you can see. Anyway, it was fun when it was not fun now. I will tell you that. Okay, you can see the pepper is grinded. I'm just transferring it to the the plate. Sorry. So I'll just transfer it and just add a little water just to get all the peppers out, and then I'll move over to crayfish. Okay, I'll just wash it, and then I'll also grind it in the stone grinder, just like so. Yeah, yeah. So after grinding it, I'll also transfer it to a plate, and then I'll add a little more water to get all the crayfish out of the stone grinder. So moving over to the pot, I'll add more firewood. Only the madam. So checking on the pot, I'll be adding in the goat meat now. The stockfish has cooked okay well enough. I share this goat meat though, half I'll cook stew with it. So watch out for the video. I'll go ahead and add some palm oil and then cover it to cook. you guys, I didn't know my camera wasn't recorded, but what I did after the oil melted, I went on ahead to add the cocoyam and allow it to melt. Okay, this is how it looks after it has melted in the pot. Okay, yeah, this is to thicken the soup. So I'll go ahead and add the pepper, the grinded pepper. Yeah, that is what I just added now. And then I'll be adding the dried fish I have washed. Okay, then after that I'll just cover it and allow it to cook. Okay, to get mixed up with the soup. So this is ogiri igbo, okay, that I'll be using. Okay, I'm just going to melt it in the plate. Okay, you can just add it directly, it will still melt. Okay, I just choose this extra step. Okay, yeah, so I'm just going to stir the soup after it has been cooking for some minutes. Now I'll go ahead and add the ogiri igbo. This is from castor seed. Okay, this is ogiri igbo, not ogiri okpei. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and add seasoning cube. Okay, I did add one more seasoning cube, and then I went on ahead to add the crayfish, the grinded crayfish. Okay, I added that in and then stirred it very well to incorporate everything. And then I tasted for salt. It needed more salt, so I added. Although I didn't show you guys, but I did add more salt. Then I allowed this to cook. Okay. So after it has cooked for some minutes, I'm adding the ozuza leaves. Yeah, the chopped ozuza. I added it first because it's more harder to cook, it's more stronger than oha. So I added it. Now I'm giving it a good mix. Look at that, you guys, it's looking so gorgeous. Subscribe, oh, please subscribe to my channel, please. A lot of you guys watch my video but are not subscribed. I'm pleading with you, please subscribe. Madam is testing it. Okay, she's testing it. That thumbs up, that is what I want from you guys. Okay, all right. So after that I'll be adding the oha leaves. Yeah, ejimaka were like balichaya. I didn't use knife. Okay, ngulie ya nguli. So I'm adding the oha leaves now. Yeah, as you can see, then I'm going to go ahead to give it a good mix, stir it up, and then allow this to cook, to simmer for 2 or 3 minutes, and then it is ready. You guys, the soup is ready. Serve this with that fufu as you saw in the last vlog. If you've not watched it, go watch it. That is what we downloaded this with. Okay, and my family really enjoyed this recipe. They loved it. The oha soup, look at how gorgeous it's looking. So you guys, that is all for this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, please. I'm requesting you, please subscribe. Okay, see you guys again. Bye.